Yo, what's good guys? Jerox nga pala ulit. Today, quick unboxing muna tayo para dito sa RockShox Yari RC Devon Air Suspension Fork. Meron tayong RockShox fender, zip ties para sa fender, safety manuals, wow, stickers, dalawang damper, compression damper, syempre star nut. Buksan natin ito. We will see the fork itself. Wow. Actually gusto ko noon kunin yung lyric, pero due to the budget, medyo may kamahalan siya. It's almost more than half a price nito. Pero check ko naman yung casing nito at yung casing ng lyric, hindi naman nagkakalayo. So for me, I think this is a budget suspension fork compared to lyric. And there you have it guys. Hope you find my video useful nga pala. And as always, ako nga pala si Jerox, ang inyong OFW na kapadyak dito sa Middle East. Stay safe, ride safe, peace be with you all.